Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be explaining y'all how to display 8-bit numbers using 4 7-segment displays and SIPO registers. So here's my coding. So what I have done is I've declared the SDA and clock pulse towards my port 2, and I'll be defining two functions, that is my BS and CS. BS because I'm going to split the bytes, like if my input value is 0, 1, 0, 2, so I will be taking 0, 1 first and then taking 0, 2, and then I'll be displaying 0, 1, 0, 2 in my 7 segment displays together. So let's see, here in my first function what I will be doing is I'll be collecting my byte. So here I will be I have declared integer I and x, character as x. So whatever the byte I will be taking will be stored in my x. Then I will do the shifting procedure. So likewise, when I enter 0, 1, so it should go to the proper position. So I will be shifting it 7 times. Since I am giving the loop for 8, so I will be shifting it for 7 times, and then left shifting and right shifting will be done accordingly. Then I will SDA will become S. So I will be giving my SDA value as S. That is, S is nothing but after shifting, whatever value is there, that value will be storing in the SDA. So this SDA will be the input for my first shift register. So and I'll be giving a clock pulse. So again I'll be defining another function called as CS. CS is nothing but so what this function is going to do is, so whatever number we are going to type, it will search from the array, and then it will take the left bit and the lowest bit and the highest bit. It will do the shifting process, and then it will return the value. So returning the value will happen through the PS function. So this byte will go into the BS function, and then the left shift and right shift will happen. So then in my void main function, I have declared the timer mode, the timer, and the baud rate, and the start of the timer. Then I am doing this on the port 2, so I have declared my port 2 to be 0x00. Then inside an infinite while loop, I will be asking the user to enter the first half of the byte. So in case if my input should be 0102, so my first half is 01, then I'll be collecting it from the user, and then the second half will be 02. So likewise, whatever number we are going to enter for the first half and second half will be collected from the user, and it will be put together with the help of byte to PC. So then I'll be calling my CS function. So what my CS function will do is, it will display it on the 7 segment display. So let us see the simulation in the Proteus window. So this is my Proteus window. Since I have already run this, so let me show a different output. So I'm gonna start this, then go to my virtual window. So it's asking me for the first half of the byte. So as I suggested an example, if my first byte is 01 and my second byte is 02, so together it is 0102. So that byte will be displayed on my 7 segment displays. So these are my shift registers. So let me explain you how this goes. So here I've declared my port 2.0 as SDA and port 2.1 as CLK. So that's nothing but shift data and clock. So that one will be my input for the first shift register. So there is a serial in parallel register. So I've used 4, and accordingly the input is given to the 7 segment displays. So here, as you can see, the alphabets A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, F2 and G2. Likewise, for my second 7 segment display, the input will be A2, B2, C2, D2, E2 and F2 and G2. So likewise, they are interconnected. So the output of the shift registers is being fed to the input of the 7 segment display. So for every data entered, there will be a clock pulse. So every clock pulse, the data will be entered inside, and then after the shifting process, the numbers will be displayed on the 7-segment display. So this is my power. So external power will be given to the MR, that is master control. So here I've used 4 shift registers, 4 serial in parallel out registers, and 4 7-segment displays, and a virtual terminal. So likewise, whenever I enter a different output, it'll be displaying it on the 7-segment display. So let's see another example. So let me enter some other different number. So as you can see, the number has been displayed on the 7-segment display. So thank you. Let me know if there's any doubts in the comment section below.